Hi, teacher. This is my word pronoun. My name is Angie Romero, and I study in the uh, English Bachelor. For example, the first example that's my mod is logistic technology. That the second is Laura is friend of mine. That possessive pronouns. The third. This is my sister's school in Claritiano School, and the pronoun is demonstrative. This is my house, teacher. Uh, I look this. This is my house, and this is my pet. Cinnamon is my pen. That possessive adjective. This is my little pet. I have three puppies. This is my boyfriend. My boyfriend is a police. And you look this. And the third, the next is I saw my motorcycle last weekend. This I look my beautiful motorcycle. I loved it. That is my bike. This this is our cars with my boyfriend. I like the Ford Focus. This is my other puppy. Tara is a little pet. I love it. That's really funny. The third, this is my sister is an student. My sister this. I love it. I love it. Her. We brought our a new apartment repetitive pronouns. That this example that is I love the British Council that I to look but to do the work. This is my new shoes in the world. I am a police. This is my farm in Kukunoa, Dinamarca. It's really cold. I don't like it because it's really cold. And in this moment I live in Villeta. That's really hot. This is my cat. It's black. I love this cat. Finished t-shirt. This is I look. This is the sample for the British Council, and I see in this part I two reference with the sample for the platform in the Secar University. Thank you, teacher.